In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning 3D flower model using some straightforward steps. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Blender artist, this process will help you achieve a realistic, detailed flower that can be used in various creative projects. Let's dive right in. We'll begin by crafting a single petal. To start, add a new mesh to your workspace. You can choose something simple like a plane or a circle. This will serve as the foundation for your petal. Adjust its vertices to form the outline of a single flower petal. While modeling, it's crucial to ensure that the origin point of the petal aligns precisely with the center of where your flower is intended to be. By default, this will be the center of your 3D viewport. This step is essential as it sets the stage for seamlessly arranging your petals around a central point later on. Next, it's time to add and configure an empty object. This empty will act as the pivotal center for your flower's rotation and arrangement. To add an empty, press Shift plus A, navigate to the empty options, and choose Plane Axes. This straightforward object doesn't render in your final image, but is invaluable for controlling transformations. Once your empty object is in place, shift your focus to the petal. Head over to the Modifiers tab and add an Array modifier. In the Array modifier settings flow, you'll notice an option called Relative Offset. It's essential to disable this by setting the X, Y, and Z values to 0. This action ensures that the petals won't offset unexpectedly. Instead, enable the Object Offset setting and, with the eyedropper tool, select your newly created empty object. This configuration tells Blender to use the location and rotation of the empty for duplicating your petal. Now, let's arrange those petals. In the Array modifier, adjust the count to reflect the number of petals you desire. For instance, if you're aiming for a flower with 7 petals, simply set the count to 7. With the empty object selected, we need to rotate it on the Z-axis to fan out the petals evenly. You can do this by pressing the R key followed by the Z key. Incorporate the necessary angle for a complete circle. To find this angle, divide 360 by the number of petals you have planned. For our example with 7 petals, you'll need to rotate the empty approximately 51.4 degrees. By doing so, the petals will arrange themselves in a perfect circular formation, creating a delightful flower pattern. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully modeled a beautiful 3D flower. By mastering these techniques, you can experiment with different shapes and colors, pushing the boundaries of your floral creations. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities this approach has to offer, and don't forget to share your stunning results.